Hello friends, today I welcome all to a story session. A lovely moral-based story. It was a story for Eid ul Fitr that blends tradition, emotion, and student-friendly values. The Moon That Waited, a story for Eid ul Fitr. Here you see a crescent moon glowing softly over a village skyline, with a child and grandmother gazing upward from a terrace lit by lanterns. In a quiet village, under a twilight sky, is a village wrapped in prayer and patience. Here lived a little boy named Ayaan. Ayaan sits on the terrace, gazing at the horizon, waiting for the moon. Not just any moon, but the one that whispers, Eid is near. Here, Ayaan is seen helping his mother in preparing dates and sweets for Eid with love. Each day of Ramadan, Ayaan learned a new kind of hunger, not for food, but for kindness. He gave away his favorite toy. He shared his mangoes, other fruits and eatables. He whispered thank you to the stars. Through this act of kindness under the stars, you get to learn the spirit of giving, gratitude, and reflection. Final evening of Ramadan, Ayaan climbs to the terrace again, this time with his grandmother. Spending time there, he asked his grandmother, "Grandma, will the moon come tonight?" With full love and affection, smilingly his grandmother replied, "Yes beta, the moon will surely appear. It's always seen out when human hearts are pure and ready." And there it was, the moon that waited, appearing, glowing softly. Not in the sky alone, but in every heart that had fasted, forgiven, and grown. The village erupts in joy. Lighting up Eid with moonlight and joy, children with sparklers radiate celebration. Families are seen joyfully embracing each other. And the crescent moon above is watching over it all. Revealing the reverence and excitement of Eid morning, Ayaan in fresh clothes, holding his ID pouch, is walking beside his father toward the mosque bathed in golden light to get Eid morning blessings. Stepping into Eid with joy and tradition, for Ayaan Eid was not just a festival. It was a feeling, and he felt it in the hug of his father, the smile of his neighbors, and the prayers from all that rose like perfume. There at mosque, Ayaan gives his ID to a small child. The little one beams. Ayaan watches, as his joy spreads like radiating sunlight. With the gift of joy, Ayaan is back home. Evening approaches, and as the moon faded into morning, Ayaan knew that the real gift of Eid was not what he received, but what he gave. And that was the most heartwarming moment for Ayaan. The joy of giving. Ayaan and his grandmother sits beneath a leafy tree at dawn, bathed in golden light. Birds are soaring gently across the horizon, and the moment is wrapped in quiet reverence. Holding his empty ID pouch in his hand, Ayaan smiles. Soft and content, his grandmother gazes upward to the sky as if thanking, with her heart full of joy and peace. Little Ayaan understands. Eid ends, but kindness stays. Some gifts are not wrapped in paper, but in moments shared and hearts opened. The real gift of Eid is giving. So, dear friends, the moral of this heartwarming story beautifully reflects Ayaan's journey, from waiting for the moon to discovering that kindness is the brightest light of all, as Ayaan learns. The greatest gift lies in giving, for through giving, we bring joy to others and light to our own souls. Friends, hope you all liked the story. Please like, share or subscribe for more such videos, where every story glows with meaning, and learning flows with love. So, now waving a goodbye with much warmth and wonder. And, hoping to see you all soon with yet another informative and interesting video. Thank you for staying with Mentored Learning channel where stories glow like lanterns, and learning blooms beneath the moon.